In this video, I'm going to talk to you about reusable period pads. Reusable period pads are pretty much a straight swap from disposables to reusables, and they're used very much in the same way. You can get kits of reusable period pads just like these that come with a bag and different sized pads. And here we've got another one which is a bit more brightly coloured. The pads come in different sizes. In this kit we have a thicker one which is called a nighttime pad. This is for when you have a heavy flow or for when you need to wear it for a longer time, so like overnight. Next we have what is called a day pad for this kit. This one, as the name suggests, can be used during the day or when your flow is sort of at the midpoint, that one there. And then we also have a mini pad here, which could be used at the start or the end of your period when your flow is quite light, or you could use it when you're using a tampon or with a menstrual cup as well. You'll need to select the correct size pad for your flow. So if you have a heavy flow, obviously you'll need to choose a pad which is appropriate for when you have a heavy flow. If your flow is lighter, obviously use the pad which is less absorbent. The pads can be worn for up to 12 hours, but again, you'll need to make sure that you've got the correct pad for your flow. If you have a particularly heavy day, then you might have to change the pad more often. If you have a lighter day, you could obviously wear the pad for longer. Different brands have different kits, so you can choose the pads that are right for you. Some brands even let you build your own kits, because obviously everyone is different, so you might need different pads to somebody else. Make sure that you check the guidelines of that brand so that you are selecting the right pads. If you want to know how to make the switch from disposables to reusables, general guidelines are that you'll need 10 to 15 pads to see you through your period. Obviously everyone is different, so select what is right for you. It will also depend on your washing routine, because you can reuse pads if you've been able to wash them during your cycle. On average, reusable period pads will last up to 3 years or maybe longer. This will depend on how frequently you use them and how you care for them.